Alright friends, we have come to the try-catch block. So what is exception handling? So exception handling in Java is a way to deal with errors that occur during program execution. For example, if I have a problem, when I write normally, the program stops and I see the error here, but it stopped the execution. So for preventing the program from crashing, from stopping, and what we can do, we can use try-catch block. Alright, for example, I say integer result equals to 10 divided by 0. Normally is infinite. I will have a problem here. When I try to print this result by using system.out.println and then I give result here, if I run my code, you see the program stop execution, so I got exception here. What's that? Java arithmetic exception. It throws an exception. So I can catch these exception, these handling errors using try-catch blocks. So let's do that. I come here, I say try-catch. You see, I write all my code inside the try block. So if any error occurs, what I need to do, I can handle this error by using this exception A. So I delete this and then let's print this exception message system.out.println and then I give evalu.get message. I use it. So I run my program again. So you see what's my exception? It appears on the screen divided by 0 exception. So I got it. So why we use try-catch block? It prevents the program from stopping suddenly, and it lets us handle different kind of errors. That it improves program reliability and user experience. Super.